Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to change Siri's voice on your iPhone. And since changing Siri's voice on your iOS device is a simple process that allows you to customize your virtual assistant's accent and gender. To get started, first, go to your settings, then go to Siri and search, and select Siri voice. Within the options available, you will find the default American female voice. But there's much more to explore. You can opt for different accents such as Australian, British, Indian, Irish, or South African, and choose between a male or female voice. The intriguing part is that you can set the language to make Siri sound Irish while using US phrases, creating a distinctive and tailored experience with your voice assistant. By customizing Siri's voice, you can enhance the interactions, making them feel more engaging and aligned with your preferences. Embrace this personal touch to make Siri uniquely yours. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.